Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Now I know this has been a really long time since I've uploaded a video because there's a lot of stuff going on, but that doesn't matter because today in this video we are going to be learning about collection framework in Python. So now if you're not familiar with the collection framework in Python, just don't worry about it. In this video we'll just talk a peach code of collection framework. So today collection framework is it's a module in Python where is like where you can like store data sets in some variables. Like we have collection framework built in our library in our Python, which is called the list tuples, the set dictionaries. These are called collections, which have the collection of data. Now there are external collections from the collection module, and we're gonna learn the first collection module today called the counter. So today we're gonna learn the counter. Now I am just gonna put the collections that is required to this video. So okay. So if we just see the collection framework and collection module in Python, collection module in Python, and as you can see, oh yes, here you go. So our next few videos is going to be about collection framework in Python. As you can see, these are the collection frameworks in Python what we're going to use. So we're going to just learn some of these, some important one of these. So let's just say, let's create a new package called the collection framework. Right here, let's just create a text file, syllabus.txt. Now we're gonna learn some of these. First of all, we're gonna learn the counter, and then we're gonna learn the ordered dict. We're also gonna learn the default dict, as well as the DQ and named tuple. So we're gonna learn these frameworks, these modules. So basically these things are available in collection framework, which is extendable in the library, which is not in, it's built in library, you can use it. So in this video we're just gonna see the counter of the collection framework. So let's just create a new Python file. Here it has counter collection. So what you have to do first is import the counter from the collection module. So basically we're going to do is from collections import the counter. Now what basically is a counter? Well, counter is it's a collection module or collection class, which is defined to be as to count the values from a string. Suppose here I have a string called AAA, BBB, CCC. Here A is 3 times, B is 3 times, and C is 3 times. Now if you want to do it with your normal algorithm using Python, you could just do is like just gonna count these values. So basically, suppose I want to count how many A's are here. So say for I in string, int is equal to 0, int here print, and now if I equals a, then we're going to just int plus equals 1. And basically if I run this thing, as you can see a is 3 times. But if you want to see a dictionary contain like a is a key and the values are 3 like these, this might be a little bit hard for you to do that. It's going to be a really big algorithm. So here they made it easy using the counter module using collections framework. So I'll just define as a counter variable. This is a class, and here I'm going to pass the string. Now if I print the counter, as you can see, Here, as you can see, A is at 3 times, B is 3 times, and C is 3 times. Now there's also functions like counter items. Like these are the basic functions that you can find in our one of those what do I say in our dictionaries. Like we have the items. So here you can see as data items that can be found in dictionary as well. The next thing is called the keys. As you can see the keys, like these are keys and these are values. And also, why not values? Here you can see all the values here. So basically, these are the 3 functions, and elsewhere there's also some functions that I want to show you, like the counter dot, these thing called the clear function, which just clears the whole thing. And we also got the elements function, and if you print out the elements function here, it does is it's a iter tool. We're gonna talk about that later. We're gonna make a video about it later in this course. So here, to just see the elements, you just want to typecast this to a list. Now as you can see, these are the elements, which is at the strings. So these are some basic functions that you might need in counter, and I know more of these places you might need the counter, and this is a really good collection framework. So I hope you like this video, and then please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk more about the collection frameworks in Python.